Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Apple Messages on Mac, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Mac and ensure it is connected to the internet. Locate and click on the Messages app in your Applications folder or on the dock. If it's your first time using the app, a welcome window will appear. Click on the Sign In button in the welcome window. Enter your Apple ID email address in the provided field. Next, click on the Next button. Input your Apple ID password when prompted. Click on Next again. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a verification code on your trusted devices. Check your trusted device for the verification code and enter it in the provided field on your Mac. Once successfully entered, click Next. The Messages app will now load your conversations and contacts. If you don't see your chats, ensure that you've enabled Messages in iCloud on your devices. To do this, go to Messages in the top menu bar and select Preferences. Click on the iMessage tab. Make sure the box for Enable this account is checked. You can also choose to sync your messages with iCloud from this menu. If you'd like to adjust your settings, take a moment to explore the preferences available. You are now logged in and can begin messaging from your Mac. Enjoy using Apple Messages seamlessly across all your devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.